Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all miss me because of course I miss you guys. What's up? It's your girl Sharie Nicole, and I am back with another freaking video, and I am very excited about this look because I feel like it's just all flowing, all going. Like, of course y'all know me, I'm an on the spot chick, so I made this look up kind of on the spot. Like, I knew what color theme that I wanted to go for, but I made that jump on the spot. So I'm very excited about this look, and I know that you all will be. So just go ahead and thumbs this video up just for the fact that you see the look and you know that this is going to be a bum video. So before I get into that, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and share this video with all your friends and family because they're going to want to see it. Y'all can watch it together. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm going to link them down below as well as put them across the screen, honey, because you don't want to miss out on anything. Because if I'm not on here, I'm on something else. And that's a period. And that's a plus. But anyways, y'all, I'm not going to ramble too much. Please just stay tuned if you would like to see how I created this look. And for these lashes details as well. Like, y'all, I'm not gonna keep on talking about these lashes because I don't want nobody to think I'm sponsored. I am not sponsored. Ain't nobody checking for your girl right now. But y'all, so go ahead and do what you gotta do. Get me to where I need to be. And look at these lashes, honey. Anyways, go ahead and continue watching this video. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this Lovebird palette from ColourPop. I don't know if I've used this on the video or not either, but I've had this for a minute as well. But I haven't been doing videos for a while since I've been buying makeup, so probably haven't used it on the video yet. So I'm going to be going into that palette first. I'm going to take a blending brush because I don't want this color to be like too much because it's going to be my transition color into my crease. And it's going to be Flower Boy. Is that right? Yes. It's going to be Flower Boy in this palette. Let me make sure I showed you guys right. Flower Boy. It's that soft pink color at the top. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply that right up here, like a little bit higher than my crease area. And you can bring it down into the crease because it's not going to hurt actually. I'm going to actually do that and layer my colors on top of that. So yeah. So yes, I blended that up to my right under my brow bone. That's where I blended it up to. I'm trying to see. I'm going to go into this color. This is from the Zulu palette. It's at the bottom. It looked kind of red when I thought I first saw it, but it actually has like more of like a pink tone to it. So I want to use that one to define my crease a little bit more. So let me do that, guys. Blend it out. And I'm kind of going to bring it down to the outer third as well. And let's blend it out some more, like down out to here. Yo. And I blended that out, you guys. And I hope you guys are liking it. I'm trying to see. I probably shouldn't deepen it anymore. I'm trying to do something more simplistic for you now. People who don't want to do too much on their eyes, so I'm gonna leave my crease at what it is. Hold up. No, I'm not. There we go. Yep, I'm gonna leave my crease at what she is, what she's given. Another half cut crease, and I'm going to use that Makeup Revolution concealer again. So let me do that, and then I will be back with the next step. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I think, let me see if the Zulu has it. I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette. I'm going to be using this yellow right here to apply to my lid where I cut it at. Oh, I'm dropping stuff, so let me get a brush. I hope you guys saw what I said, but I'm just taking that same pink and blended it in. That's from the Zulu palette with a blending brush, going around those edges and blending that in as well. That's why I wasn't so really caught up on if it was going to be a straight line or not, because I knew I was going to be blending this in. And I definitely, see, this is why I don't plan my looks out beforehand, because I definitely wasn't expecting, like, of course, your eyeshadows blend and create a new color. But I was not expecting that peachy color to come through, but I think that it is really freaking bomb. So I'm not messed up about it. Okay, so that's that right now. So I got these two liquid eyeliners. They're NYX Vivid Bright eyeliners, and this one is yellow and one is pink. I honestly cannot tell you which one I want to be using, because I don't know. I'm trying to see how they, like, the exact colors of them are. That's why I'm trying to open them to see the exact colors, to see if I'm going to use either one of them, to be honest. Because I'm really enjoying the way that this look is turning out so far. I don't want to mess it up with like a liner that does not belong. But I'm gonna go ahead and use that red one, because it actually isn't coming off as a red, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with this liner. I'm so glad that I went ahead and grabbed this one, because I did not expect it to come off like this, but I'm very happy with the look of it. So I thought it was gonna be red, and I'm so glad that it wasn't. It actually really matches this eyeshadow look very perfectly. So this is the NYX Vivid Bright and Vivid Fire. So if you want that, go and get that, because it is definitely worth it to me. So yeah, guys, go ahead and get that, because look at this. I'm excited. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to my face, and then I'll finish up my eyes at the end of this. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I don't even know what foundation I'm going to use. Let me see this. Okay, so I'm back, and I know that this is probably a bad idea, but I'm hoping that it's not. I'm going to take the Clinique Roly Poly Rosy blush stick. Instead of applying it straight to my face, I'm going to put it on my finger, because I'm scared, y'all. I already put my powder on and everything, and I'm just... I'm going to actually dust that powder off underneath my eyes, and then finish putting that blush on. So yeah, it didn't betray me. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Lancome blush as well. It is Mocha Havana, and I like this because it has a little shimmer to it. Some people don't like shimmer blushes. I like shimmer blushes, so I'm going to use that and apply that over where I put that Clinique, because kind of just wanting to set it in the sense, because it's not really manipulating the color. So I just really wanted to have like a powder on top of it. My highlight, I'm going to be using a Lancome highlight as well. It's number 3 Radiant Rose Gold. I know that they've kind of limited how many blushes they have now, so they discontinued a few of them, and I don't know if they're coming back or not. But Lancome has some nice little subtle blushes that you all could use, and they have a few more that's still out. So if you see one, just get it, because I think that it's worth it. It gives you that skin like finish if you don't want to like overdo it. See, look at that. That's for my nose though, because y'all know I go overboard with this. Look at yes, period. I love for my nose to look so like highlighted. Now I want to do my under eye, and I've been contemplating on what I want to do under my, I've been contemplating on what I want to do under my eye, and not that, that's not what I want to do. Let me find the palette that I'm going to be using. Now, I've not been going in with blue a lot lately, and I don't know why, but I think I'm going to take a blue. And this one actually is kind of like a blue purple. So I'm going to go into, which palette is this? The Magic Mini from Juvia's. And this is I don't know, because this is it right here. So let's take that and go underneath the eye. As far as the inner crease, I'm going to use this one. This is Zuba from the same palette. And I'm going to apply, oh, my hair is just irritating my spirit today. I'm going to plop her in my inner corner of my lid. Okay, y'all, so I applied that mascara on top and bottom, and I grabbed my lashes. I got these lashes from Amazon, and they look like this. It was like, I can't remember, I think they were like $7.99 or $8.99 for 5 pairs. And so look, hold on, wait, yeah, I be seeing people selling these lashes for like $20. But that's neither here nor there. So anyways, this is my extra packs right here. But I grabbed the, ooh, hold up. And so I'm gonna show you guys how they come. So it comes with one that's in the case, the main pack. So you can use this and you can put them back in here when you're done until they're like not usable anymore, I guess. And then you'll move on to your next pair. They're the same exact pair, but they come like this, the extra pair. So you could just plop that one out and plop this one inside of here, so that you have a protective little case for your other 4 pairs. So go cop these, y'all. These were I think $7.99, $8.99, and they're really cute. So for setting spray, I'm going to be using, well, let me show you the actual product. The ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray Mist. I have not used this before. I just purchased this. I'm hoping that it's good. I saw the reviews on it and they look pretty good. So I'm going to try this, you guys, for the first time. Let me spray that way to get it to come out. And I hope that it actually like kind of hydrates my skin while I'm wearing this makeup as well. Well, really, pretty much I want it to make my, it smells good. It's just like coconut. I wanted to make my makeup look more dewy because, like I said, I did use a mattifying foundation, and I did set my face with a lot of powder, which I typically don't do, but I'm just tired of my makeup transferring sometimes when I touch it if I'm not using a transfer-free makeup. So let's see, guys. So I'm gonna start off with this NYX Plum Lip Liner and line my lips with it. So let's see. So this lip liner definitely needed to be sharpened, so just was cutting my lips that were already dry to begin with. But the next thing that I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Barbie Pink. And last but not least, I'm going to be using this Lancome Lip Lover lip gloss, and it is in 332. Okay, so I know I said last but not least, but actually this is going to be the last thing that I'm going to use. And I got this lip gloss from the beauty supply store for like $1. And it's a coconut oil a lip gloss. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, it's a coconut oil lip gloss. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that to this because I like my lips to shine. So that is going to conclude this makeup tutorial, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so loving this look. I love the lip. I feel like everything goes so well together. Like, I'm very, very excited about this look. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Like, I know y'all gotta like this look. I know y'all enjoyed this look. So just let me know down in the comments. You ain't gotta be shy. Talk to your girl. Let me know. And let me know what you want to see from me for my channel in the future. If you have a specific look that you want to see me recreate, just drop it down below or hit me up on my Instagram or any of my other social media platforms. Just go ahead and hit your girl up. Thumbs this video up because I know if I enjoyed it this much, I'm hoping that you enjoyed it too. Thumbs this video up just for the content, honey. Just for the fact that I hooked y'all up on these lashes, honey. Let me show y'all again. No, I'm not sponsored. Ain't nobody sponsoring me. I ain't there yet. But I just want to let y'all know that y'all don't have to pay $20 for some lashes. These lashes were $9 at most. And they got five packs up in here. So don't let nobody play you. If you want to sell you some lashes, 5 packs each up in here. So just thumbs that up for me hooking y'all up. Also subscribe to this channel because it's missing you. That's what it is. This channel is missing you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit those post notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video, because you don't want to miss out on your girl, her new content that's coming to you guys. So yes, go ahead and do that. Share this video with all your friends and family, and of course I will see you all in my next video. Peace out.